The Metaverse. What lies behind this word? For some, it is a futuristic vision of our lives in another dimension, where the boundaries of reality blur. For others, it is merely a passing trend that will disappear like other digital fads. But where did this phenomenon come from? How is it developing? And what should we expect in the future? Let's dive into a world where reality and virtuality intertwine, creating new horizons of human existence. The origin of the metaverse, from idea to first steps. The concept of the metaverse began to take shape long before we started discussing it in the context of modern technologies. In 1992, science fiction writer Neil Stephenson introduced the term metaverse in his novel Snow Crash to describe a virtual reality where people interacted as avatars. Since then, fantasy has gradually transformed into reality. In the early 2000s, platforms emerged that allowed users to interact in virtual worlds. One of the most well-known examples was Second Life, a kind of simulation of real life in a virtual space. People could create their avatars, build homes, attend concerts, buy and sell goods. This was the first real step toward the metaverse, although the technology of that time limited the project's potential. Modern challenges and breakthroughs, from VR to AR. Today, virtual and augmented reality, VR and AR technologies, have become a central part of the metaverse concept. VR headsets allow for complete immersion into virtual worlds, while AR technologies enhance our perception of the real world by adding digital elements to it. Companies like Meta, formerly Facebook, are actively working on creating interactive platforms that unite users in new realities. The metaverse today is not just about games or entertainment. It is a new economic space. Tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Apple are investing billions of dollars in developing metaverse platforms, offering endless opportunities for business, education, and communication. This is a global market where digital assets like NFTs can be bought, meetings and conferences can be held, and even virtual travel can take place. Ethical aspects and risks. However, along with new opportunities come significant risks. The virtual space becomes a place for cybercrime, manipulation, and data control. Ethical issues surrounding personal data protection, technology dependence, and the impact on mental health remain open. The metaverse can become a trap if clear rules and boundaries for its development are not established. Another aspect is the issue of equal access to the metaverse. Currently, these technologies are not accessible to everyone due to their cost and technical complexity. The future of the metaverse depends on how inclusive it becomes. The future of the metaverse. Where are we heading? What lies ahead? Some believe that the metaverse will become as integral to life as the internet is today. It is likely that entire virtual economies with their own laws, cultures, and even political systems will emerge. We will be able to work, learn, and communicate without geographical limitations, and the metaverse will become a bridge between the real and digital worlds. On the other hand, the issue of moral and technological balance remains. If we can guide the development of this technology correctly, it will become a unique tool for solving global problems, advancing science, and fostering culture. If not, it could lead to new social and ethical challenges. Conclusion. A point of choice. The history of the metaverse is just beginning. We stand at the threshold of a new digital era that can change our perception of reality. Where we go from here depends on each of us and how we choose to use this tool. It is an opportunity for new discoveries and at the same time, a challenge that requires a responsible approach. Will we become creators of a new world, or will we remain its captives? This is the question we must answer today.